Hello YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. Today is a review on the Wig Dealer Touch-Up Lace Bonding Gel. I am going to be using this in my install today, so stay tuned, just keep watching, see how it works out.
Original bad man, you don't know.
It's Faux.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, no. Baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls, them are random. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, dark she jeje. No they do me, she get. You wanna come move fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh no. Baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you.
Okay, so this is the finished look. You guys, sorry, it's just like the next day. I just woke up and I needed to finish the video. So the Wig Dealer bonding gel is really good, you guys. But this wig is a little heavy. This wig is brought to you by a store from Aliexpress called X-tress. It is a 32-inch distressed faux lock dreaded wig, and it is 13 by 4 or 13 by 6, because there is definitely a lot of parting space. As you can see, there is definitely a lot of parting space. You can see very transparent. Does come with baby hairs at the front. I had to pre-pluck mine and like sparse them out a little bit. I really like this wig. It's just a bit heavy, so if you're gonna wear this bonding gel, make sure it's, you know, for a wig that's lighter. It's only like good for probably like a day or two, but it really, for bonding gel, it is really good. It gets tacky really quickly, unlike other bonding gels. So Wig Dealer's bonding gel is definitely the bomb. Wig Dealer Touch-Up Lace Bonding Gel. This is definitely the bomb. Does what it says it does. No residue whatsoever. It's just like their melting spray. So I think you guys would definitely love it. Go purchase it right now. I love it. I really love it. It's really nice. I'm definitely gonna leave the link in the description of my video for where you can purchase the wig on Aliexpress. Now, you know, at Aliexpress, when you buy stuff, it's gonna take like maybe up to a month to get. So definitely worth it. You can suit it up. I had, for the first time, I put shells on mine. Isn't it cute? Yeah. But alright, you guys, that is my wig and product review tutorial for today. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Hit the subscribe button for more content so that you won't miss another one of my videos. Alright, you guys, I love you guys. Have a blessed day. Bye.